Making this dish is a dream of mine. I just think it looks really good. I don't think it looks like garbage. Let's make a garbage plate. No one wanted me to do this idea, but don't give up on your dreams. The garbage plate. Is it garbage? We'll find out. This garbage plate is a delicacy of upstate New York, more specifically Rochester. It basically consists of a cold mac salad, your choice of potato. You smother the whole thing with a hot chili meat sauce, 2 hamburgers on top, cheese of your choice, any condiments you want. And you don't just like eat a bite by bite. You don't just take the salad, you don't just take the potato. You mix the whole thing together and you eat it like that. Basically looks like garbage, but I don't think it's gonna taste like garbage, and that's what I'm doing here today. It is a dream of mine because as someone from the rural Midwest, we have a lot of weird homey dishes like this, and I just want to experience what the great people of Rochester, New York experience. It's just a dream of mine to do on the company dime. We're gonna start with our mac salad. This was a recipe I took off 12 Tomatoes called Food Truck Hawaiian Mac Salad. Let's start, so we're gonna add our veggies, shredded carrots, 1 stalk of diced celery. We have half and half mayo, sugar, make it sweet, apple cider vinegar, grated yellow onion, and then salt and pepper. Let's make a garbage plate. There's a lot of sound in there. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, let's get down with it. To the fridge to cool. Next, we're gonna make our chili meat sauce. So think about it like how you would like put chili, like a meat sauce on like a chili dog. It's the same kind of concept. I am vegetarian, have been for a long time, so I'm using Impossible ground beef. So if you want to make this, use whatever meat you want because it's my garbage plate and not yours. So I'm gonna use this. Do some onions, white onions, just kind of diced them up. Give that a few minutes. So now onions are nice and translucent. We're gonna add our ground beef. Yeah, so now we're gonna let this get nice and brown with our onions. Okay, that looks nice and brown. And we're going to add our tomato paste. You know, like just a spoonful of it. Let that get situated. We're gonna add veggie broth. I have like half a cup left in this. Might need to add more, but as you can see, we have a little, it's like a tomato-y sauce. See how it comes together. And now I'm gonna add some hot sauce to it. I got Frank's, like I said, very vinegary, cayenne. And I'm gonna add a lot, because I just like hot sauce. We're just gonna add stuff. Onion powder. Cumin, chili powder, cayenne pepper, a little bit, and garlic powder. The mess I've created today is the real garbage here. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like chili. Yum. Okay, meat sauce, done. Now we are going to fry our potatoes. I've heated our oil up to 350. I'm making kind of home fries style, but you could do crinkle cut, you could get frozen French fries and bake them if you want. So we're gonna just take a little batch at a time and drop them in. Just finished the second batch of our home fries, golden brown and crispy. You gotta season them right away or else they do not stick. Get yourself one of those. Those are great. A little salt and some pepper. I'm making a mess. Great. Potatoes are done. Last but not least, we're making our smash burgers. I heat up some olive oil, nice and hot. You want on a pretty high heat for these because they're gonna cook super fast. Putting them on there. Those I can already tell are browning on one side, so Mark's had to put the cheese on now. I'm adding the cheese. Cute. Beautiful, nice and melted. It is finally time to assemble our garbage plate. So we have our mac salad. I'm gonna put on half of our plate. Potatoes on the other half. Our smash burgers with cheese on top. And a bunch of meat sauce. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Then finally, condiments. I have yellow mustard today. And ketchup. And Cholula to finish it off of this absolute gourmet delicacy. It's time to taste. So if we want to eat this, we're gonna eat this right, and we're gonna cut it up around the burgers and mix it all together. That's the traditional way to do it. Oh no. It's time. This does look like garbage. Okay, we're gonna get a little bit of everything. Burger, salad, potato. That's the perfect bite. It's so good. It's so good. It's not garbage. I have tears in my eyes. The mac salad works, the creaminess of it. The potatoes are great. It's spicy. I will be eating this entire plate. The garbage plate is not garbage. And now we know. Thank you.
12 tomatoes.
The perfect bite. You know it's good.
I don't know. I don't know. It's not bad, but it's not, I don't know what to think of this monstrosity. This is ridiculous. I guess try it at home. We would love to hear what you guys think about it. It's something.
Please try this at home. Just for fun. Do it. Live my dream.